Hey guys, welcome back. So it is a Monday morning, daylight savings has set in, and I am back with another review of the Fab Fit Fun box. This is the spring 2018 box. So I'm going to break down the Canadian dollar value of the entire box, which was $447 Canadian for everything that was in this box. And I will have a discount code listed down below, and if you sign up with my link, you get $10 off your first box. So if you want to know all the products that were in the Fab Fit Fun spring box for 2018, we're going to go through it all right now. So the first thing I'm going to address is this Rachel Pally clutch that we received. We had a choice, if you're an annual member, to choose your colors. And I chose the one that's called Paradise just because of this mint Tiffany blue, and then the tropical leaf pattern and the coral I think would go really nice with like a white outfit or denim. So that is the color that I chose. Cool thing about this bag is it's reversible. You can either have it this way with the main color being on the flap, or you can turn it around and have the pattern on the flap and then have the mint on the bottom. I personally think that I like it more this way, but I will probably end up wearing it both ways. For the zipper, they do have a tassel design, and on the inside you will find an extra little secure pouch just to kind of hold your keys or your phone or anything that you need to grab on a run. Now, upon checking her website, she does tailor to collections, maternity, plus size, and she even does a little bit of bridal for bridesmaids. And the prints that she uses is a lot of prints, stripes, and ruffles. It's the kind of the style trend that you'll find on her website. And this is retailing for $60 US, and it is $77.39 Canadian. For this season's skincare, they included a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. And I've been using it this week, and it does really soften and even out the texture of your skin. I've mixed it with a little bit of the Becca highlight, and I've also used a little bit of the Cover FX custom drops, and I mix them together just as my base, and I really find that my makeup sits really well with it, and your skin just instantly looks more refreshed. And some of the key ingredients in this is retinol to promote cell turnover to reduce clogged pores, soy flour firms and protects elasticity, and Queen of Meadow extract tightens pores and reduces oils. I have used Murad products before. I've used like their skin wash, body wash line. I haven't used a lot of their face products, but from using this lotion, I'm really liking it so far. And the retail value of this is $40 US, and it is $51.59 Canadian. Now, candles are a go-to must-have in my apartment, and they included a candle in this season's box. So this is the Andersen Lily. I have it in the fragrance Super Bloom, which is basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet, geranium, lily of the valley, jasmine, rosewood, and cashmere musk. They had an also choice of doing a Manhattan Beach, which is probably going to be more like coconuts, and then they had a fresh linen, but I really like going towards flowery, summery scents. The formula is actually hand-poured coconut wax blend, and it has the burning of 7 hours. So it's just the one wick that they have, and it burns clean, and it comes in this kind of copper votive that you can use for other things once you want to clean out your candle once it's finished. The US value of this candle is $45 US, and it is $58.04 Canadian. Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler was something that they've kind of added as a nail treatment. I don't really have ridges. I don't wear false nails a lot or do gel or acrylics or anything that's going to really mess my nails up to begin with. So this is just something that they have. I think I'm going to probably end up using this more on clients. I did check out the website because I was curious about this brand, and this has a lot of 5-star ratings, so it's definitely worth checking out if you're really looking into purchasing this nail filler. So it does have peptides and moisturizing agents, which are going to help with your discoloration of your nails, any staining that you have, and any ridges. So it is a nice treatment. It's kind of nice to receive these instead of nail polish colors, which can be so drastic for some people who either don't wear nail polish or they only like certain colors, and you're throwing them a color that they've never worn before or don't intend to wear. So nail treatments are always a hit, and I like that Fab Fit Fun actually includes that and thinks that way. Now, being that I am an esthetician, this is something that I can definitely have on the shelf and use for any clients that may have ridges in their nails or also just want something light, using this as a base coat or as the color completely if they don't want any color at all. And it's also, I can be rest assured to tell them it's a treatment as well, which is going to help their nails look better. And the retail value for this is $18 US and it is $23.22 Canadian. Now to bring in the fit part of Fab Fit Fun, they did include a massage roller. I was fortunate enough to get this beautiful like light blue teal color. There was also I think a gray and a purple and a pink. So we didn't get to choose these colors, they came by random, but I'm happy because my yoga mat, my shoes, my resistance bands, they're all this color, so it kind of looks like I have a nice set. And this is from Physique 57, and it feels so good. You can do it to yourself, like it's easy enough. It's just to really help relieve any tension or sore muscles that you may have after either a workout or if you're just stressed in general. Like you don't even have to be someone who works out every day. You just, maybe you're working somewhere that, you know, is very active, and just using this at the end of the day just helps to really loosen up those tight muscles. The retail value of this is $20 US and the Canadian value is $25.80 Canadian. And on the tag, you also get a 2-month free trial, entering the promo code for FabFitFun that they have on their website. So I think they do workout videos on their website, and it's kind of nice that you get 2 months that you can try it out and see if you like following their instructors or not. Now the thing I was, excuse you. The thing that I was most excited to receive in this season's box is this Free People and Understated Leather Eye Mask. I do not own an eye mask or an eye cover, and I have some traveling coming up this year that I have quite long flights, and I think that I want to be able to sleep on my flight and just kind of block everybody else out, as bad as it sounds. So I really like this. It's quite heavy. It has some weight to it, and the front part is like this faux leather with stars, and then the back part, it is an adjustable strap. And the inside, the fun part with this, it actually has a removable insert of a cooling pack. So you can freeze it and just have that extra relaxation, coolness on your eyes, and having something cold, like if you've ever heard of having the cold spoons put in the freezer and it helps with depuffing. This is the same idea, having this gel pack that you can freeze. So I was super excited to receive this. I didn't have to go out and buy some like a cheap one from like Walmart or something. I actually have one that is quite good, and the material and everything on it is very nice material. It's not cheap feeling. The retail value for this eye mask is $40 US and it is $51.59 Canadian. And I know I will be getting some sweet shut-eye with this. So they did include a Ish lip statement palette. I've never used any Ish products, but I know on the add-ons and things that you can buy at the FabFitFun website, they do partner with Ish a lot. I've just never been able to try it. So this is a very full set. And I'm gonna actually have a part 2 to this video coming up. I'm actually gonna lip swatch every single one of these shades so that you can kind of see what they look like, and gives you a better idea about the palette, because it's kind of hard when I'm just gonna hold it up today, unfortunately, and you're not going to be able to actually see how the pigment and everything comes out. So that is the kit there. The top row is some nudes as well as a gloss. Middle row is pinks and roses, and then the last row is like hot corals and some reds. All of the 11 shades are mattes, and then there's the one gloss shade that you can put on top of any of these colors. You can also mix and match these colors to create a custom color if you really want to get fun and creative with this type of palette. Now it is formulated with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. It's paraben free, gluten free, and cruelty free. So that is pretty good. I really like that it has natural ingredients and moisturizing ingredients, so it's not just like going to be tacky on the lips and not have any hydration to them. So I am going to be pulling out that video hopefully very shortly. I'll do all the swatches. The retail value of this lip kit is $42 US, and it is $54.17 Canadian. Now this box did have a couple of choice items this time around, and I chose the Kors Guava Body Butter as opposed to a lip mask treatment that they had. They also give you the option, I think for $10, if you want to add on the second one so you don't have to choose, but I didn't really want the lip mask this time around. And I've tried Kors and face products, face masks, moisturizers, but I've never tried a body butter line. So it is a trio blend of sunflower, almond, and avocado oil, and it's really going to help improve the texture and elasticity of the skin. A helpful tip is to use this right after the shower, that way your body can absorb the most moisture from it because all of your pores have been opened from the steam of the shower. The retail value of this Kors body butter is $24 US and $31 Canadian. The second choice item was these Akita earrings, or there was a love bracelet that was like a dainty small bracelet. Actually one of my friends received it and she really liked it. So I'm happy with these. I think I'm going to wear them with an off-the-shoulder dress in the summer with my hair pulled back. And I got the shade black instead of the pink color that they had, just because I think black is very versatile and I can pair it with a lot of items in my closet. And it is, the plating on that is 18 karat. The plating on it is 18 karat gold, and the retail value is $58 US and $74.81 Canadian. I normally don't get add-ons, but the add-ons have been killing me. The last two boxes I've had to get them because it's just so much more of a deal than what we're paying here in Canada for these things full price. And they got me this time for two items. They have the Acai Body Power Cream, made in Brazil. This brand, I already have the Bum Bum Cream, and it is absolutely phenomenal. It's so moisturizing, it smells amazing, and it helps with the caffeine for any like skin tightening, cellulite, everything like that. So I really wanted to try this acai one. It does smell amazing, and the texture of it is like whipped almost, like it's a very nice cream. So I did buy that because it's very expensive at Sephora for this brand, and when you can get a deal on it, get the deal. And this is what the packaging looks like if you're looking to go out and buy it. It's like bright orangey yellow. And then the second thing that they got me with is this Juice Beauty Organic Solutions. This is the blemish clearing cleanser. Now I have had acne prone skin, so I'm going to try this one out. It does have organic ingredients in it, so it's a little bit better for your skin, I'm hoping. I think in Canada this is like $20 or higher on Sephora, and I think they were only asking for like $11 on the add-ons on Fab Fit Fun, so they did have quite the discount on it, so I decided to give it a try. And those were the two add-ons that I get. Now you don't have to get add-ons every single time. It's just if you find something you like the discount, or if you want to buy it as a gift for a friend, the options are available each season to add them on, no extra shipping costs, and they just bill you based on what you ordered. Now I will give you the heads up that there is obviously the exchange rate, so what you're seeing the price on their website, it's going to be US. When you do get the bill coming from them, they're gonna exchange it in Canadian. So you're not gonna exactly pay what they tell you on the website when you cash out, because they are gonna, you know, do their stupid thing through the banks and whatever else and exchange rates. So you are gonna pay a little bit more, but it's not nearly the price of what you're paying buying it right in Canada. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that everyone who received the Fab Fit Fun spring box liked what they got. Like, I won't say that this was my favorite box that they've ever given out, but I did like a lot of the products in it, and I know I'm going to get some use out of them. Again, the entire retail value of this box for Canadians is $447 for everything in there except the two add-ons that I just showed you. But I didn't pay, obviously, $447 for this box. I think it averages out to about $76 Canadian every 3 months when you sign up annually. And then again, I do have the coupon code listed down below for you to receive $10 off your box. So yeah, it's really a fun box. I love this subscription box, and I love being part of the Fab Fit Fun community. And